Hello Mr. Rahmat and friends, my name is Jonathan Clinton and I'm from Kesatuan Senior High School, 12 Science Street. So today I will review my Corsair K95 gaming keyboard. Corsair K95 is a high-end keyboard at a price that is quite expensive, at 200 USD or around 2.4 million rupiah. This keyboard is made of aluminum and the keys are made of Cherry MX. In my opinion, this is one of the best keyboard ever made. Now, let's open the box. So, after we open the box, in this box you will get one keyboard, and one wrist rest. There is also a user guide and warranty card. Okay, now I will try to stray this USB cable to the laptop. By the way, this keyboard has backlighting and 18 programmable macro keys on the left. In Corsair Utility Engine software, you can set one of the macro keys to perform different action based on what is recorded from the keyboard strokes. I can show you another exciting feature of the Corsair K95 RGB keyboard. The Corsair Utility Engine software allows you to create different color profile from different programs. I will show you how cool lighting is on this keyboard. Another exciting feature is that you can download pre-made color profile directly from the Corsair website. The color profile I would load didn't actually work until it was plugged into a computer that had Corsair link there to load the profile. In the upper left, there are 3 custom profiles that you can put on there yourself, and the microphone button. In the middle, you can see the Corsair logo. On the top right of this keyboard, there is a button to enlarge the sound, button to turn off the sound, and of course 4 multimedia functions. You can also adjust the brightness by pressing this button. You can also lock the window key by pressing this button, so you don't accidentally press the window keys. One of the things that I like from this keyboard is that it has a wrist rest, which you can attach to the bottom of this keyboard. And to complement the Corsair gaming device, you can buy another Corsair product like Corsair mousepad or a Corsair mouse. There are some shortcomings and strengths on this keyboard. One disadvantage is that this keyboard is very expensive and easily damaged when exposed to water. And for the benefits of this keyboard, it has very useful function like macro keys and has very beautiful lighting. There is the latest version for K95 RGB, which is K95 RGB Platinum, and there are some advantages for K95 RGB Platinum, including the addition of LED on the top. If you buy the latest version of K95 RGB, you will get extra keys for playing MOBA and FPS. If you like this keyboard, you can buy it at online store. This seems like the end of my vlog. Hope you like it. Goodbye.